Hi everybody. Today we are going to see a Python program to create an array with fill value. What exactly is a fill value is nothing but with a specified value to create an array with a specified value. Previously you might be aware of functions like numpy dot zeros, numpy dot ones, which will fill the array with zeros, which will fill the arrays with ones. But whereas if you want to fill the array with a specified value, we are going to use a function called as full. How we are going to do so? Np dot full of, if I want an array of size 5 with specified value, I want the value to be of 78. So I want an array of length 5, and each element of the array should contain 78 itself. Then how, this is how I am going to get it. So when I try to print it, I'm going to give it as a my underscore array. So let me run this. So when I run this, this is how I am going to get a 5 length array with a filled value of 78. This is a one dimensional array. You're going to create or fill it with a one dimensional array. So we're creating a one dimensional array. Suppose if you want a two-dimensional array, that can also be achieved by this. So if you can also create this, creating a two-dimensional array. So how you are going to do so? My underscore two dimension underscore array equal to np dot fill of, sorry, full of. So I can give the size of the two-dimensional array is nothing but matrix. I can give a 3 by 3 matrix, and the 3 by 3 matrix can be filled by a specific value. I can give some random value, something like 22. So I want a 3 by 3 matrix with all the values within the 3 by 3 matrix should be all the values will be 22 itself. So when I try to display it using a print statement, this is how it appears. So my 2D array. Let me run this. Before that, I'll just give a display statement like mentioning that this is a two dimensional array, and our earlier one is a one dimensional array. Okay, so let us display it and check it. So one dimensional array is filled with 78 5 times, and two dimensional array is a 3 by 3 matrix with 22. You can also, this is what is fill value. If you want to fill the array with a specified value, you can use a function like full. Okay, so let me give a 7 itself. So this is an array with 7. If I wanted 10 rows or length 10 array of length 10, which contains all the 10 values as 7, this is how I am going to get np dot full of 10 comma 7. So now this length is 10, and it holds all the 10 values are 7 itself. I hope you're clear with this. This is all about a fill function in your NumPy array. Sorry, in your NumPy library. NumPy library is mostly used in the most of the times it is used. It is a powerful library which is used in data sciences and all data analytics and all, for all the requirement according to the program or according to the developer and all. So this is all about your full function in your NumPy. Hope you got this. Thank you for watching this. For more programs, please subscribe to Python.